Sziasztok! Hi everyone, I'm Sándor. Welcome to another Hungarian lesson. Let's see how you can ask, can I take a picture with you? If you happen to be visiting Hungary and you have Hungarian friends, this might come in handy. But also, we're going to touch on a pretty important thing, which is the so-called ható verbs. I'll make a video on them where I go into the nitty-gritty of it all, but basically we have the suffixes hat and het. You attach them to the verb stems and then you conjugate them further to show who's doing the action. In English, you translate them as can, but it's not about someone's ability. It's about permission and opportunity. And since we're asking for someone's permission to take a picture, we use these suffixes. So the absolute basic way of asking this is csinálhatok egy képet veled? Csinálhatok egy képet veled? It literally means, can I do a picture with you? Or can I make a picture with you? Csinálni can both mean to do or to make. But actually, it's more natural to throw another word into this mix. Check this. Készíthetek egy közös képet veled? Készíthetek egy közös képet veled? Készíteni means to make. So we don't say to take a picture, we say to make a picture. But here we have the word közös. This is a word that is used in many different contexts, and depending on them, it can mean common, shared, joint, or mutual. So basically we're asking, can I take a shared picture with you? This is a very natural way of asking this in Hungarian. You can also swap the word kép, meaning picture, to the word fotó. Fotó. I'm sure you figured out that this means photo. It's a long word. So you can also ask, készíthetek egy közös fotót veled? Készíthetek egy közös fotót veled? Obviously the meaning is the same. Now, készíthetek is conjugated in first person singular, but you can also use the first person plural form involving the other person. Készíthetünk egy közös fotót? Készíthetünk egy közös fotót? Can we make a picture together? It's up to you which one you choose, both are fine. But notice that I didn't use the word veled, meaning with you here. Since the verb involves both of us, it's not needed here. And lastly, you can use a slang term as well. So, lőni egy képet. Lőni egy képet literally means to shoot a picture. It's a slang term for taking a picture in Hungarian. So you can also ask, lőhetek egy közös képet veled? Lőhetek egy közös képet veled? Literally, can I shoot a shared picture with you? I think we use the verb lőni, meaning to shoot, in everyday speech a lot when it comes to taking pictures. Okay, today's lesson is pretty short, I know. But this is a good introduction to the ható verbs. I'll make a much more detailed video on this in the future. But in the meantime, if you happen to see me somewhere in Hungary, feel free to approach me and ask this. I'm gonna say no. It's worth a try though. Thank you for studying with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe. And if you feel like supporting the channel even more, my PayPal information is in the description. See you in the next lesson. Sziasztok! A viszontlátásra!